Hi everybody, it's Amy from Bargain Beauty. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. So they put out a lot of new stuff for Christmas, and we're going to start with the baking stuff. Holiday Chocolate Peppermint Cookie Sandwich Kit, $4.97. They have the Gingerbread Man Brownie Kit, $5.97. I don't love gingerbread, so this is kind of cool that it's brownie mix. Christmas Tree Brownie Kit, $5.97. They have the Holiday Twist Cupcake Kit. Makes about 24 cupcakes, $4.97. Holiday Bubbly Cupcake Kit. This is $4.97 as well. Again, 24 cupcakes. Yummy. Holiday Hot Cocoa Cookie Cups Kit. Makes about 18 of these, $4.97. And then they have 42 pouches of the holiday fruit snacks, and these are $6.97. Grape, lemon, and strawberry. Christmas Tree Meringue Kit. Meringue mix, sprinkles for decorating in the piping bag for $4.97. And then they have the cookie icing, $2.98. See if you can find any of the Halloween leftover, like white or red. You can absolutely bring those into the Christmas season. So of course the normal colors, red, green, and white. Then they have the little green sparkling gel in red and green at my store. This is a very tiny Walmart, so your store may have more. $1.97. The edible glitter gel, $2.98. Gel food colors, $3.48. They have holiday winter blend coffee, and this is going to be $6.22. The bag's super pretty, for 16 ounces. And they have peppermint bark coffee as well for $6.22. Up here, they have holiday spiced apple fruit syrup for $2.97. They have Holiday Spice Complete Pancake and Waffle Mix for $1.97. Chocolate Peppermint Syrup, they have that for $2.97. The Traditional Gingerbread Cookie Mix, $1.97. They have Holiday Hot Chocolate Complete Pancake and Waffle Mix. This is going to be $1.97. They have Holiday Gingerbread Quick Bread and Muffin Mix for $2.24. They also have a bunch of sprinkles. Sprinkle mix, great value, $3.47. Show you guys. These are $1.97. These are $1.98. And these are $2.97. These are like the multi-pack. They have cupcake decorating kit with the little llamas for $2.97. They have the snowman. They also have the elf, all $2.97. They have liners. These ones have little lights on them, 98 cents. Snowflakes. These ones, let's see, is there anything inside? Little trees. White melting wafers. They also have them in green and red, $1.98, and you get 7 ounces. I just had to move the camera so I could see. 7 ounces. They have the icing decorations, little Christmas trees. Those are $1.97. They have for $2.47. Oops. Holiday dipped fudge mint cookies. Yum. Let's see if we can put this back where it doesn't fall on everyone. They have holiday peppermint twist and shout sandwich cookies. So the generic for Oreos with the little peppermint in there. I'm not sure.
Excuse me.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
Okay. Wasn't sure if she was going to walk by. Holiday gingerbread twist and shout sandwich cookies. Gingerbread cookies. Holiday sugar cookie popcorn. These are $1.98. I thought maybe he was gonna walk by too. I thought maybe she was gonna walk by. Sorry guys, barely I'm in a popular aisle. So sugar cookie popcorn. I've never had that. That's different for $1.98. Spiral sugar cookie kit mix. $4.97. Makes about 12 cookies. Winter snowflake cookie kit. Oh, yum. Yum. Only makes 8 cookies though for $5. Then we've got holiday candy cane sugar cookie kit mix. This makes 12 cookies for $4.97. We have holiday tiny tree shortbread cookie mix for $4.97. Oh, don't fall. Then we have thumbprint sugar cookie mix. This makes 30 cookies. Now that's not bad. $4.97. It's a heavy box too. The other ones were pretty light. You can tell a couple people bought that already. Then they have holiday gingerbread marshmallows for 97 cents. They also have these little peppermint marshmallows. They have little holiday trees for 98 cents. Mini Chippers Great Value chocolate chip cookies, 12 packs, and I assume they are $4.98. Christmas Lights sugar cookies, 12 cookies for $4.97. Sugar cookie mix, $1.97. They have the ugly sweater sugar cookie kit, $5.97. Those only make 8. Christmas swirl sugar cookie, $4.97. Those make 24 cookies. That's pretty good. Oh, these look yummy. Makes 14 cookies for $4.97. Chocolate peppermint snowflake kit, $4.97, makes 20. They have white chocolate cranberry wafers. These are going to be $2.68. You get 10.6 ounces with real cranberries. The lemon wafers are $2.68. They also have gingerbread wafers. Hazelnut. My favorite is hazelnut everything. $2.68 for these as well. These are the gingerbread ones. They also have up here, I'm not going to move that because I think it'll make everything fall. They have apple crisp ones and they have strawberry. Down here they have chocolate mint wafers. I'm a little confused. This one says $2.26. Make sure you scan. Gingerbread baked with real ginger, $2.26. I think that's for these type of cookies. I usually get this pack actually. Just makes it so much easier when you're making a Christmas cookie platter. So it's got the snowman and the star, the leaf. That's not the one I get. I get the one, I'll have to look around. I do get the try one, but I don't think it has a leaf in there normally. I feel like it's something else. Gingerbread cookies. Hostess has winter mint ding dongs. Interesting. And then they've got the mint chocolate Twinkies. I don't know about these guys. These are all $2.97. They have a holiday cupcakes limited edition. Triple chocolate brownies. I don't think that's holiday, but those look yummy. They have brittle mix for $1.98. It's ready in 3 easy steps, so that's pretty cool. Betty Crocker. Of course, they have regular frosting. They also have the famous fudge chocolate kit mix, $4.18. Makes 1.5 pounds. And then they have the pumpkin bread by Libby's. You can make 2 loaves, and it's great for muffins, $3.98. This is the only time of year at this particular store they have larger bags of any type of nuts because we just don't have the space. So these are $6.37. They're 1 pound. Pie crust, you can get those a little cheaper at Dollar Tree. Actually, you can get 2 for the price of 1 at Walmart, so might want to check that out. They have pudding mixes, 84 cents, apple pie filling. I've never had this before, but it's the classic original mincemeat. It's $5.44. You get 27 ounces. The cocoa powder, $2.98. Dark chocolate covered melting wafers, $3.94 by Gardelli. Gardelli white vanilla melting flavors, $3.94. Then they have the white chocolate baker's bars for $1.97. Semi-sweet and unsweetened as well. Of course, they have all the normal chocolate chips. And then they have little special ones like these, holiday baking chips, and these are $2.47. Cinnamon Imperials, $2.47. Oops, it's full, so everything's falling out on us. They don't usually have this large of a container here either. This is $2.24. The little marshmallows are $1.25. They do have the cookie baking mix. This one says value size, 40% more for $2.48. Grab the bags now because as you can see, they don't all have that. 40% more for $2.48. You need a stick of butter and 2 eggs. That's it. I actually might grab these. Sorry guys, I'm just checking it out. I think I'm gonna grab this one as well. Oh, and let's look here. Let her go by. They have Funfetti cake mix, $1.34. And then they have the frosting with the sprinkles for $1.34. Green or red, whichever you prefer. Funfetti sugar cookie mix with candy bits. These are $1.34 as well. Now I'm gonna definitely bake this weekend. It got me in the mood. For just $2, you can get the Holiday Spice Little Debbie trees. Super cute. Or you can get the snowflake brownies. Christmas gingerbread soft cookies. They also have cherry cordial cookies. And the regular Christmas tree cookies. So the, Christmas tree cookies up there have the gingerbread. And these are the regular vanilla cake ones. Just $2, that's fun. There's 5 in a container on the Christmas tree ones. The gingerbread has 8. And then they also have Christmas tree brownies. Just $2. They have Elf on the Shelf Kellogg's cereal, sugar cookie cereal with marshmallows. It's going to be $3.64. This is located on a large pallet in the middle of my store. So I thought I'd end the video in the candy aisle and just show you maybe a few things that are fun and only around Christmas time. They have this huge tin of European cookies, which we can get, but it's in such a pretty tin. I thought I'd show you guys. $9.98. The Christmas Nougat by Brock's. These are like so memory lane for me. $2.48. You know your grandma always had those. They have Sweet Stripes soft wintergreen candies. The big tin for $5. They have the Rice Krispie Treats original mini squares, and they put them in cute little Christmas packaging for $4.98. And then they have Clayton fruitcake. Is it Claxton or Clayton? Old fashioned, 12 ounces. They always say fruitcake is really dry. This seems really moist, and it is $2. They have Dove truffles, $3.28. They also have butter cookie tins. These are super cute. And these are $2.88. They also have them with Santa back there. And snowman, reindeer, and the Santa. Cute little gift for $2.88. The cherries, of course, $1.78. The big box up there, as you can see, is $6.48. They have different flavors. Then they have these really large tins, so cute, of butter cookies, and these are $9.98. Look at how cute. I love that. They have Ritz with the mustard and the sausage, $9.98 from Old Wisconsin. That's the same. Hickory Farms, $19.98. There's another Hickory Farms, less than $10. That's a good gift. This is cute. It's a little Reese's Snowman. Oh, sorry about the glare. $3.98 seems high. I think it's a little high. Kinder Joy. This little gift would be cute. $4.98. Packages of Kit Kats for $3.88. This huge 2.5-pound cups of Reese's Peanut Butter Cups for $10.98. They also have the Celebrations. All those different little candies. Dove, Snickers, Twix, Milky Way, $4.98. They also have the large size of the cotton candy. Those are $2.
It's the third fucking marriage she broke up.
Wow. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so $5.48 for the Hershey's Pot of Gold. Let me move my cart out of the way. These are $4.98. Really pretty packaging. It's like a rose gold. Really, really pretty. They have this one too. Whitman Sampler, old school, $4.98. Lindor chocolates. The chocolate orange, $2.98. Holiday assortment of the Gardellis. That's going to be $9.48. So two different brands of the orange, $2.50, and that one's $2.98. My favorite candy ever, $9.98. This one's $13.48. This one's $5. This one's $4. Yum, my favorite. And I personally never buy bagged candy at full price. I'm a clearance shopper. But they range from $2.98 all the way up to $14.98. All right, guys, that's going to be it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. I will talk to you down in the comments. And again, subscribe if you haven't already and hit that thumbs up button.